In this video, you're going to see Megiiva demonstrating at-home microneedling. If you need any further information on microneedling, check out the consumer guide in the description. Hi, I'm Ash, Creative Director. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. This will help our channel out a bunch.
Hello, how are you doing today? I am back with my beauty routine this week with something a little bit different from all the creams and moisturizers I've been showing you lately, and obviously tools, as it's going to help me to restore my skin completely over the time. Watch it out. It's Image ADS Dermarolling for home use. It's really interesting tool which I'm sure you'll be looking to buy later on after what I show you. So let me show you. It comes completely closed, and obviously it's safe to use straight after. You don't have to wash or anything like that. You can do this afterwards, okay? Let me open it up for you. Reduce as well your scarf from any like spots, for example, which is quite often, as I have few actually. Some people have actually using it for stretch marks as well. I haven't tried this on. Okay, my skin is really clear now. So I'm gonna show you how to use the Dermaroller at home. You always using it with the hyaluronic serum, because that's the only thing that should go actually on the face. Nothing else. You shouldn't put any moisturizer or anything else. This is the most safest things to use when it comes to Dermaroller. Let's see. Here we go. I've been trying before Dermaroller at home, but never seen the real result. Now, the way it works, it's basically penetrate the skin and get all the ingredients which you have to use, or the ingredients you can put in and restore the skin. And then obviously helps with the anti-aging. You have the little scar from the sun, like I do have some here, as you can see. I always start from the forehead. So I'm going to do a little drops here. Some people put it all over the face before, but I do actually prefer to put it as it goes, because it actually dries out afterwards. So here we go. Always crisscross pattern. So you do down and like that. So don't push it too hard, but not obviously too light. And you can see the redness here already. Okay, can you see it? And I'm gonna keep going for the other parts as well. Up and straight as well. So my skin is sensitive. I mean, it's not super sensitive, but it's still sensitive. And it does become red, obviously. Usually goes away in about 10-15 minutes or so. When I use actually this Dermaroller, I noticed that the skin, probably in a day or two, it somehow feel glowing. Obviously, because this is what makes the collagen get boosted up and start producing more in your skin, and you can see this difference, like shiny, glowing skin, which is it's amazing result for me, obviously. Keep going. Here you go. I do have some spots here. Probably I'm not going to touch on the top, but in general, if it's a scar, that's going to go away for sure after a few uses. So this is not like the professional, as the professional really penetrate deep into the skin and you can see some blood. With this one you won't do, and the feeling is really warm, a little bit intense, like a touch, which is not really bad. Now I'm all red. I'm not quite sure if you can see it. Probably can though now, as I can see it on the camera. Can you see it now? Yes, I think you can. And that's what the results we are after, because afterwards it's gonna get better. Now I'm done with my forehead, my cheeks. You can see the whole redness here now. This is scars, which obviously I'm trying to reduce the appearance of. It says they will fade eventually. It's just I'm gonna speed the process with this one, and probably I'm gonna get the skin looking more fresh, more younger, and more firm as well. I do have, let me show you now. I feel a little tiredness at the moment as well. This is good. It's a bit hot obviously because the skin becomes red, but it's not painful at all. I'm almost done now. So I do the forehead, I do the cheeks. Now the tricky parts is the nose, the folds on the side, and the chin. Okay, and obviously here they're a little bit more painful as the rest of the part of the face. But you have to be really careful how you do them, as they always get dirty first, and the skin gets clogged as well. So it's really important to clean it properly. Let's start doing it. So this part of the lip as well. Have cold sore. If you have a cold sore, don't use the roller until it's actually healed, and afterwards as well, where the cold sore is, just go over around it, as that can actually get it back. So it's really careful how you're using, or you have a spot which is open, you obviously don't touch it, as we don't want to penetrate this when it goes to using it properly. There's another trick which I'll show you. Now, no one cares about the eyebrows, but really, there's lots of dirt going on there and can block the skin even though you don't see it, okay? So what I do in the end, I always do my eyebrows as well, as that's actually going to help lift my skin a bit here as well, in the long term. So let's start it. It's all done at the moment, and all my face. What is really important to remember, this little tool has 540 needles, okay? So by penetrating your skin gently, but effectively actually, gets your natural production of collagen, elastin, boosting it up. So your skin basically in your body naturally produce what you're actually losing with the years. So it helps with the scar from the sun, it helps with stretch marks, it helps with anti-aging, it helps in a pregnancy, for example. You have lots of spots or like a brown, I used to have here as well, and maybe little here which disappear and comes back somewhere like that. But with this needling, it actually speeds the process of healing it, and getting the new skin out, new cells out, producing the collagen, and make you just feel better about yourself, which obviously shows on the skin as well, as the skin is glowing and even and flawless. It's a little bit hot right now, guys, but I'm sure I'll be fine after. Hi everyone, I just wanted to show you quickly how my face looks like after an hour. It was really red after the procedure with the Dermaroller, but now it's not red whatsoever, so all the redness disappear, and hopefully the collagen will start kicking out. Okay, have a lovely evening.
If you're interested in results-driven products and treatments, check out our channel.